How to fix WhatsApp business not working. Having trouble with WhatsApp business? Here's how to troubleshoot common issues of WhatsApp business. First, check your internet connection. Poor connectivity can prevent the app from loading. Restart WhatsApp business and see if the problem persists. If the chats are not syncing, go to settings, then tap on chats, then go to chat backup and make sure your backup is up to date. Sometimes reinstalling the app resolves persistent issues. Always download the latest version from the official website to prevent the issues. Clear cache or temporary files if the app freezes. It often fixes minor glitches. Have you faced WhatsApp business not working before? Share how you solved it in the comments below. And that's how you can fix WhatsApp business not working. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.